Now let's talk about flowering. Spider plants do occasionally develop small white flowers at the end of their long arching stems. Here are small babies. Many times these flowers are so short-lived they go completely unnoticed. Flowers on spider plant can grow in a cluster or can be single depending on the variety of the spider plant. Spider plant flowers are very small and white with 3-6 petals. Here you can see here is one and here is second. The third is developing. In another video we will show how to correctly propagate it.